name I feel, the pact I seal, your name. It's her name I call under the sky, salty like the tears I cry. It's her name I hate because I love you still, and I can live this way. It's her name I keep, the only thing you can take away from me. I wanna hold you so someday I'm gonna dive in your eyes, be cast away. I wanna please you so, please don't let me leave you far away, 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 away.
Please answer. Maybe everything is fine.
I hope everything is a dream. What is your relationship with that girl?
There is nothing between us.
I understand everything myself. I'll find you.
When is this going to end?
I'm going to my brother, he'll help me. I hope my brother isn't on duty. I want you to find that photo for me.
I'll find it for you. Who is this?
Come to the same place in the park. What is your connection to this girl?
I have no connection to this girl.
I will find you no matter what.
Your brother told me to expect you. I've been waiting. Maiku Hayashi. All the information is inside this file. Go see her right now.
Better if you go see her yourself.
I'm Irie. I want to see you.
I've been waiting for you.